Hey, good morning, all of you. How are you all? Welcome back to your general knowledge virtual classroom. Today, in this module, we are going to start a new chapter. But before starting, let me once again remind you to please like and subscribe to my channel, and you can share this video also with your classmates. So, let's start. Today in this video module, we are going to study chapter 32, Eat Right, Stay Healthy. This chapter we have already discussed in our WebEx classes also. You can refer to page number 64 and 65 for this chapter. You all know that you are what you eat. Eating the right food can only help us to stay healthy. It is the only way to be healthy. In the recent surveys and the studies that are conducted, it has been observed that the number of overweight kids over the worldwide has been increased. The percentage of overweight kids have been increased. It has been doubled in last few years it has been doubled. So it is good for us that we should eat right, which is right for our body, for us. We should consume a healthy and a balanced diet, which is good for our health. It should consist of all the proper nutrients, proteins, vitamins that is needed by our body to be healthy, so that we should be healthy. Now let us have a look at some exercises that are given in this chapter. So the first one is we have to correct the option to fill in the blanks. So first one, the fizzy drinks that we call cold drinks or soft drinks are aerated drinks. They are aerated. They are not at all fresh. They contain a lot of gases, air. Then they contain plenty of sugar. These fizzy drinks also contain a lot of calories. They are not at all nourished drink. They contain a lot of calories. These fizzy drinks, they often leads to consumer putting on a lot of weight and becoming obese, becoming fat because of these calories. Then obesity in turn usually leads to heart diseases and diabetes. Since it contains so much of sugar, it leads to heart diseases and diabetes. Diet fizzy drinks, you must have seen Diet Coke, Diet Pepsi. They may have fewer calories than regular fizzy drinks, but they can increase your appetite. And what do you mean by appetite? Means your hunger. So you will drink more. You will end up drinking more than you usually do. Many of these drinks, aerated drinks, they contain acid which harms your teeth, including regular and soft drinks. Then this acid weakens your tooth enamel, which can lead to tooth decay also. So you should try drinking water instead of these acidic and sugary drinks. Now, exercise B, take the correct option. If you want to stay healthy, eat food that is cooked in less oil. Then, when food is fried while submerged in hot fat like oil, very little water is used. We say it is being deep fried. Like we have puri, we have pakoda, they are called deep fried food. Third one is when minimal, very less cooking oil or fat is used, just enough to grease the pan. We say the food is being pan fried. Then stir frying is a very famous cooking technique that is popular in China. Why is this excessive fried food eating or fatty food eating not good for our body? It's not good because blood flows through our arteries to different parts of the body. It uses arteries as a medium to flow to different parts like lungs, kidneys. So people who eat too much fried food or they consume too much fat, they have blocked arteries. Their arteries got blocked because of those greasy material, fried food oil. This blocked arteries results in blocking or slowing down of the flow of blood, and which leads to heart problems and even heart attacks. So that is why we say that we should avoid eating fried food item or fatty food item on a regular basis. We are not saying you that you should stop consuming your favorite food items, but you should stick to a limit. That's why we should consume a balanced diet which consists of fruits, vegetable, fiber rich, carbohydrate food, protein, fats, everything in proper percentage that is needed by our body. You should follow certain points. If you want to be healthy, follow these points that eat greasy snacks only sometimes. Regular servings of fruits and vegetables a day is good for you. One pizza or a burger meal in a fortnight is fine. Then try and have a light dinner several hours before you go to your bed. Eat regular small meals in a day. So, this is it for this chapter. We should always eat right if we want to stay healthy. I'm uploading current affairs in the description box. Thank you for watching, students. Take good care of yourselves.